In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse LinkedIn in private mode. Navigating through LinkedIn without leaving a digital footprint can be essential, whether you're job hunting, researching competitors, or just curious about what former colleagues are up to. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to make your profile browsing completely private, ensuring your exploration remains your own business. First off, let's dive into the LinkedIn universe. Head over to the LinkedIn website. Right there on the home page, you have two options to log in. You can either click sign in with Google, if that's how you usually access LinkedIn, or continue with your LinkedIn account by entering your details. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts to log into your account. Once you're in, locate your profile photo, which should be at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. This little photo is essentially your gateway to personalizing your LinkedIn experience, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to navigate to and select Settings and Privacy. This option is crucial as it leads you to where LinkedIn allows you to manage how you appear on the platform, among other settings. Upon entering the Settings and Privacy area, your next move is to click on Visibility. This section concerns everything about how visible you are on LinkedIn and how others see your activity on the platform. It's pretty neat because it gives you control over your digital presence here. Now that you've clicked on Visibility, you'll see various options related to your profile and activity. Look for the section titled Profile Viewing Options and click on it. This section is specifically designed to customize how you appear when visiting others' profiles. Finally, the moment we've been working towards setting your profile to private mode. Within the profile viewing options, you will see private mode. Go ahead and select this option. By doing this, you're ensuring that when you visit someone's profile, you'll appear as an anonymous LinkedIn member. This means your name, profile, photo, and other personal identifiers won't be shown to the person whose profile you view. Bear in mind, when you switch to private mode, you won't be able to see who's viewed your profile. It's a privacy for privacy trade-off that ensures both parties' browsing habits remain anonymous. And there you have it. You're now equipped to browse LinkedIn profiles freely without leaving behind any digital footprints. Remember, navigating the professional world with respect for privacy can open up more opportunities for candid exploration and discovery. Whether you're scouting for new talent, keeping tabs on industry leaders, or just satisfying your curiosity, knowing how to browse in private mode is an invaluable skill in your LinkedIn arsenal.